Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating an audio track and selecting your input device so Garageband knows where sound comes from. Once the track exists, arm it for recording and enable monitoring if you need to hear yourself. This helps spot latency and balance issues early. Make sure to set the input gain on your interface or mic so the meter rarely hits the red. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Doing this prevents clipping and gives you headroom for processing later. Now you'll focus on capturing quality takes. Enable count-in or use the metronome to lock your timing or pre-roll to get comfortable before recording starts. If you want multiple attempts, enable cycle mode and record several passes. Later you'll comp the best phrases into one clean track. Watch for latency. Switch to low latency mode or lower your audio buffer size in preferences if you experience delay. Also, consider direct monitoring on your interface to avoid hearing process latency. Once you have usable takes, trim and split regions and use comping to assemble the best performance. Apply short crossfades to avoid clicks between edits. Then shape the sound. Use a high-pass filter to remove rumble, gentle EQ for clarity, and light compression to even dynamics. Finish with a limiter to prevent clipping. When ready, export from Share Export Song to Disk or Export Stems for mixing. If you hit trouble, no sound, check input routing, mute states, and Mac OS privacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.